Ho ho, ho. Merry Christmas, riders. It's your friendly neighborhood Zontes tinkerer, Mad Mick, sliding down your feed like a badly lubed center stand. If you're watching this, congratulations. You've survived another year of potholes, petrol prices, and that one bolt you swear you tightened. Santa asked me what I wanted for Christmas. I said, simple. A torque wrench that doesn't disappear every time I need it. He nodded, then handed me a chocolate bar. So yeah, we're clearly on our own this season. But whether your motorbike or scooter is sparkling clean or looks like it's been through a festive apocalypse, I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for watching, wrenching, laughing, and keeping this channel rolling smoother than a freshly greased variator. So from me, and from every Zontes that's ever screamed for an oil change, Merry Christmas, ride safe, and keep those bolts tight.